me.
Oh my lord.
You guys see it?
That
Where are we?
I don't know. I'm gonna get out for a second. Or I'm gonna open the door for a quick sec. All right.
Are you ready? Turn around if we have to, okay?
I mean, if you want to get soaked, you can do that. Like, I mean...
Fuck. That thing is not small.
Hey, someone pull up a map for me, please. Google Maps. What road are we on? Or town? You got it?
Hold on. I'm trying to. Come on, Google Maps. Love me. This is the time to love me. My map is not loading.
I have like one.
Yeah, same here. Oh fuck! It's right there. There's debris. There's debris. That's a wedge.
Dude.
There's
Hey,
debris.
there's debris on the ground.
There's
That's a
debris.
wedge.
No, fuck.
Oh my gosh.
There's debris. Fuck.
Hey Ryan, you want to get a video?
Yeah.
My camera's stuck.
There's debris. Fuck. Oh my, that sucker. I've never. Back up. That's way too close. Oh, it's all. The camera's getting all of it.
I'm backing up.
Okay, you want to like turn that off?
Oh yeah, it's still going?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
you. And we don't warn in this area till 8 p.m.
Oh, it just crossed the road in front of us.
Thanks, guys. Okay, we're good.
I don't know where he's going.
Where is he going? Okay, you probably shouldn't be able to